I'm leaving the campground here in Escalante, the Escalante Outfitters. I'm just a few miles outside of Escalante, the city of Escalante. The national monument is pretty close to the border, maybe another mile or two. Hey, how you doing? Where you guys going? Oh yeah? There's good campground there. I just came from there. The Escalante Outfitters. This is the Escalante River. I'm gonna follow it through this canyon. Still pushing up this mountain. Look at this. That's where I'm coming from. Look how steep that is. I'm here at the trailhead of Upper Calf Creek. They have a little kiosk here. It's free to camp. You just have to fill out this form and tell them where you're camping at. Approximately what road you're off of. This is how I'll be doing it the next couple days. Okay, permits all filled out. All done. Now I gotta find a place to put my tent up. I camped here last night, 6 miles away from Boulder, Utah. Boulder's gonna be the last city I see. In Boulder, the Burr Trail begins. So I won't see anybody or any town for about 2 days. So I drank about a gallon of water yesterday. So I got a really little bit left, just enough to make it to Boulder. So I don't have enough money, enough water to cook breakfast or make coffee or anything like that. So I'm just gonna eat junk food until I get to Boulder, and then maybe there's someplace that has coffee there. There's Boulder down there. I think it's a population about 250, mostly just ranches.